Prime Minister Modi has chaired a high-level meeting to review the coronavirus situation in the country and the progress of oxygen augmentation and availability of medical oxygen ahead of a potential third wave of the pandemic. Officials present at the meeting told the Prime Minister that more than 1,500 PSA oxygen plants are coming up across the nation. The Prime Minister instructed officials to ensure that these plants are made functional at the earliest. He said that the central government officials should work closely with the state governments for the same and ensure that there is adequate training of hospital staff on the operation and maintenance of oxygen plants. NDTV's Akhilesh Sharma has more.
This is more than 6th or 7th time when the Prime Minister is reviewing the supply situation of the oxygen across the country. And today, this morning, he had a meeting with the senior officials, including some officials from the Health Ministry and other logistic ministries. And Prime Minister was very clear. He had given instructions that more than 1,500 PSA oxygen plants, they should come up across the country. And these plants, more than 1,500, will be serving to at least 4 lakh oxygen beds across the country in various hospitals. And Prime Minister also instructed the officials that there should be trained staff to operate these plants, because we have seen that sometimes in the past when the second wave was on the peak, we had seen that the trained staff was not there to operate the oxygen plants, and that is why there were some casualties at that front also. So the Prime Minister has given clear instructions for the training of the staff, and the officials informed the Prime Minister that a training module has been prepared, and more than 8,000 workers will be trained across the country to operate these PSA oxygen plants. These oxygen plants are coming up, of course, through the PM CARES fund, which has been there for quite some time, and lot of funds from the PM CARES fund has been utilized for the COVID relief measures. And this was at 6th or 7th meeting by the Prime Minister, and yesterday the cabinet meeting also approved a big package, a second package for the COVID relief, more than 23,000 crores, out of which a substantial amount is going to be funded by the center. That was also discussed in this meeting.